In this video, we will discuss about the nodal tissue. Nodal tissue. Nodal tissue. Right. Okay. So nodal tissue nothing but it is a special type of musculature. It is a special musculature or special type of muscles which are present in the of special type of the muscles of the cardiac tissue or special type of the muscles of the heart, myocardium. This is the structure of the heart, right? The wall of the right ventricle, it is very thicker than the left ventricle. It is very thicker. Next one. Okay, so here this is the right ventricle and left ventricle. This is the left auricle, this one a right auricle. So this is the left ventricle, this chamber is right ventricle. Okay, here nodal tissue, it is a special type of muscle. So it is having two type of musculature. So number one, SA node, number two, so AV node. This is number one. Number two, AV node. Okay, SA node and AV node. SA node means it is a sinoatrial node. So AV node means A for auriculo, V for ventricular. Auriculoventricular node, right? So this sinoatrial node, it is also called as pacemaker. So why we call it as a pacemaker means it can generate the action potential itself without any stimulus from the nervous system. Here, that's why we call the heart of the human beings is called myogenic heart. The heart of the human beings is called myogenic heart. So myogenic heart means the heart, it can generate the action potential itself only. Okay, it does not require the any stimulus from the nervous system. So that is why we call it is the myogenic heart. Means the muscles of the heart can generate action potential without any stimulus from outside of the heart. So that is why, so the pacemaker, the main SA node of the heart, it can generate action potential itself. So that is why we call it is the pacemaker. Means action potential means it is a little bit electricity. So here the SA node, it is located at the right upper corner of the right upper corner of the right atrium. So it is located at the right upper corner of the right atrium. Means here it is the right atrium, it is the right side of the right atrium, and it is the upside of the right atrium. So here right upper corner of the right atrium, it is having SA node. It is a pacemaker, it can generate action potential. So it will send to all muscles of the auricles, and also it will send that action potential to the AV node. So AV node, it is located at the okay, so left lower corner of the right atrium. Means AV node, it is located left lower corner of the right atrium. So this is the right atrium, this is the left side, and it is a lower corner here. Okay, left lower corner of the right atrium, it is having a musculature or a nodal tissue that is called AV node. Okay, right. So this SA node can generate action potential. So that the action potential which is generated by the SA node, it will pass into the all okay, muscles of the okay auricles, and when this action potential it will reaches to muscles of the auricles, the auricle will contract, and mean the systole of the auricles takes place. So next one, so after the systole of the auricles, there is a requirement of the okay systole of the ventricles. For that purpose, it needs, means for the systole of the ventricles, it need action potential, means the ventricles needs action potential to get systole, means to get contract. For that, the action potential, okay, it will come from, so it will come from the okay SA node into the AV node. It will reaches to the AV node. Okay, from AV node there is a special type of fibers arises. So these fiber is called, it is called bundle of His. Means bundle of His. Okay, so this bundle of His, it will okay divide into two branches. One is left and second one is right. Here okay, this branch is called left bundle of His. Here this one right bundle of His, it is a right bundle of His. Okay, so these are the nerve fibers like material. Okay, so here the AV node, it is also called as relay point. Why we call relay point? Means it receives action potential from the AV node and it will send to the walls of the ventricles through, so okay, bundle of His. So that is why we call it as a relay point. And so these left bundle of His and right bundle of His will spread into the walls of the ventricles through a fine branches. So they are called the small branches. So okay, these small branches are called Purkinje fibers. These Purkinje fibers, these are called Purkinje fibers. So these Purkinje fibers receives the okay action potential from the left and right bundle of His. They will spread into the so walls of the ventricles. When the action potential will go into the so walls of the ventricles will contract, and so the blood which is present here in the ventricle, so that will go into the so okay from the right ventricle. So from the right ventricle it will go into the so pulmonary artery, and from left ventricle so it will go into the so aorta. I told you in the last video. So that is the okay, it is the aorta, so which receives the oxygenated blood from left ventricle. So this one is called okay, this is called so pulmonary artery. This one is called pulmonary artery. It receives deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle. Okay, right. At the opening of the so pulmonary artery, so they are having a wall. So this wall is called okay pulmonary wall. This is called pulmonary Wall. Next one. So the wall which is present at the opening at the aorta is called aortic wall. Aortic wall, right? So here, okay, we will discuss about the, okay, these aortic wall and pulmonary walls are also called as semilunar walls. Semilunar wall, okay. So these are called as semilunar walls, means pulmonary wall and also aortic wall. Next one here, so the aorta, it receives oxygenated blood, it receives oxygenated, and here pulmonary artery, it receives deoxygenated. It receives the oxygenated and pulmonary artery, it receives deoxygenated. Okay, there are three differences in between the pulmonary artery and aorta. So okay, this is about the nodal tissue. Okay, so you can take a screenshot, and okay, with this we have completed the structure of the heart. In the next video we will discuss about the function of the heart.